Bishop Lauben Kisemba Moti okayo okushabuku abirarya eirwariro rya Kabarole oku abirarya mukoro ogutebekanisibwe omwigarire w'obukama bwa Toro Elizabeth Bagaya Akiki. Bishop nuwe amujwekire amukoro ogu ubu arikubakwasa omu butongore ebyoma ebiguzirwe okwera omurimo gw'okuzaza abakazi abenda.
We are also calling upon many people who are born in this hospital to come and giving us support. This hospital is giving people services, medical services in this area.
Eirwariro nirimanywa nkagamwe amarwariro amakuru kw'Etoro y'ihanga Uganda.
It's a very good old hospital, so as you can see, some of the buildings are almost crumbling. We really need a lot of support from God's people and God wishers to ensure that this hospital is revamped.
Dr. Edward Mugisa orukora eirwariro nagira ngu ekikya kubateganisa no kugira ebyombeko ebikuzire n'obundi ibara lya sente.
So you find that someone comes here and they expect high quality services. You know, the people here refer to this hospital as Misani. And the people who have been here for long know that in the past, Misani was an excellent hospital because it used to get a lot of donor support.
This baby almanacs of this hospital, when they see what is happening, and then the people who are touched, even in Kabarole themselves, I think Kabarole itself, I think people get touched, and maybe they'll continue from that gesture.
Neonatal health gives us the highest number of maternal and child mortality rates. They've been coming down, but we haven't reached their ideal, so we want to bring those down.
Twaza omurukazo omunyishengerokazi wa kazo Jennifer Muhesi oku ashabira abantu bagomba okwerinda obushumankuzi n'okwiba. Ebi n'ebindi abigambire obu akuhereza embuzi emyito kumugumwe gukongera kurwanisa obworo omu kicweka kya Gomba district.
Abantu abamukureba kunongera ngo bakeyibaha ko bataro narukutaro kutemerera mu meshogani bwene kinkubashaba mukure n'umanya abaka Bible negera ngo yegese omwana omuhando gwishikire akiri umuto.
Mwerinda amarwa ebitokoza bwonko mwerindo bwa marayi abo kuba bona rebo ekite nkabura ku kigambo ati % yahiguro muri ngombo abana bari kutwara bakirya abana bato bajya higuro muno
atimu yanje yona ngaraka nsima Jennifer Muhesi abo sente zatuteye mu